Ublalotta, Kanoik busy. Today is Tuesday. What day? All day today. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Signing in is very important. Whether you are late coming to school or just came back from an appointment or lunch if you're in high school, if you forget to sign in, we will think you are absent. Okay, so let's take a minute and see what this whole sign-in process would look like. We find ourselves walking into the building, making our way towards the commons. And what do you know before we know it? Just to our left, we arrive at the office window. And at this desk, we'll find the secretary and a binder with a paper inside of it. At the top of the paper, we find 4 categories: name, reason, time, and grade. So let's grab the pencil. We first start off by writing down our name. And I'll do that now. Next, we put down the reason, and for this example, the reason why we're late. So, for the most part, just writing down late is good. After that, now we'll put down the time. And our grade level, and I'm just gonna write staff for me. So once we have that all in, we get this all done so that whoever's taking attendance will know we're here, and the secretary will hand us a late slip. Now, you might be thinking that simply not signing in might get everyone to think that you're not late. I'm here to say that way of thinking is false. It leads us all to think that you're not even at the school because we never saw you earlier. So whenever you come in, make sure you sign into the building, put the accurate time you arrived, and we'll make sure you're counted present. Before I say bye for now, I want to remind everyone about Spirit Week this week. As you can see, today's Crazy Hair Day, and tomorrow we'll have Twin Day. So thank you everyone for watching, and have a truly terrific Tuesday.